We're going to be moving the client into 140-foot.
What's up everybody, Chris here from Boss Talk Productions. It's about 12 p.m. We're about to head out to the Miami Yacht Show. We're going to be doing some coverage for marine video production, some drones, some little footage here and there, and then we're going to be shooting a boat that is actually docked there. That'll probably wrap it up for today, and then we're actually going to be back there tomorrow shooting a few more yachts for another brand, and then shooting their nighttime event. I'll see you guys over at the boat show. So that's pretty much a wrap for this boat. Might do a little bit more B-roll at the show, then we'll be back here tomorrow. Alright, we have started our shoot on the two boats here. This is the Monte Carlo yacht, little section. So we have just completed the event photo shoot. We're gonna go head up to another party where Bernie is shooting. We're gonna shoot a few photos and stuff over there, and that'll pretty much wrap it up. So I'll catch you guys in the next episode.